Mommy, did you see one yellow color stem and a bright brown color leaf? This one. You see this? This is the dead taro. I mean the taro plant. Now see the ginger plant. Look how tall it has grown. It has grown too tall that it's better to harvest it now or after 2 days. And I guess this one is the potato. And where's the Vadamali? Is it playing hide and seek? I don't know actually. And see, even if we put the Poochi Marinda on this Vendaka plant, still insects are biting it. It's coming from that tall tree that I'm pointing up. See? And look here. There are flowers. And then here also flowers for the brinjal. Look here. You can see a lot of things. And finally small brinjals hanging right here. Did you see that? One brinjal here. That was fun. And look, turkey berries. It's time to harvest the turkey berries. And see that turkey berries. Then look up here, bananas. And down the skin. Now let's check this plant. It's growing. And see this raw banana. It's almost in the perfect size, but we need to leave 5 more weeks or just 1 more month. And see the tindas, there are many tindas. Did you see that? So many tindas and Toothuvella seeds. Now the last one is the rose bud. You can see one in pink color. I'll show you where. I mean here where my nail is pointing. That is the rose bud. And see there a tindas. And then the Toothuvella seeds. See Sangopu. And I really want to show you something. Did you see that? Red hibiscus. One is there. And pink hibiscus. That's it for today's video.